In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for inventory management in a full tutorial. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to optimize how you track your inventory, this guide will walk you through the steps, from signing in to customizing your workspace. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, head over to Airtable's website. You can do this by typing Airtable into your web browser, or simply follow the link if it's provided in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. You'll need to sign into your Airtable account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account by following the steps that Airtable provides. It's quite straightforward, so don't worry too much about getting lost there. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your Airtable dashboard. Here, you'll find any existing workspaces you have, but our focus today is on setting up a new one for your inventory. First, click on the Create button to make a new base table. This is where you'll keep track of your inventory items. Feel free to name it something descriptive, like inventory management, to help you identify it easily later. Once you create the base table, you'll notice it's named Untitled Base by default. Click on this name to rename it to something that makes sense for what you're tracking, such as warehouse inventory or product stock. Having a clear naming convention is especially useful if you manage multiple bases or if you're sharing this with a team. Next, let's rename the individual table within your base. Typically it's called Table 1, but we want to make it specific to your needs. Click on the table name to change it. For instance, you might call it Product List or Stock Levels. Having descriptive names helps keep everything organized and easily navigable. Now it's time to add some relevant fields to your table. These fields represent the information you want to track for each inventory item. Think about what details are crucial for your management needs. Item name, quantity, supplier, and product category are a few examples. You can customize the field types to suit your data, whether it's text, numbers, drop-down lists, or dates, offering a flexible view of your stock data. And there you have it. You've now set up your basic inventory management system in Airtable. This setup will allow you to efficiently monitor and adjust your inventory. Remember, Airtable is a powerful tool with many features, so feel free to explore and customize even further to suit your unique requirements. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy inventory tracking.